guys. We're gonna do the nature cereal with all these different things. But I got something new. I did these raspberries, and I got some blueberries and pomegranate seeds and some blueberries. And I can't forget to make the stuff watery, coconut water.
Okay.
And
Ice. So guys, we're doing the nature cereal video. Yep. It's like a new trend thing, guys. So, our guys got the like Maddie said. Oh yeah, we do have the strawberry. We got cut up strawberries.
I did the cut up job.
So you want to get cut up strawberries, okay, guys?
Or it's not going to be able to fit.
Okay, guys. We have
pomegranate seeds. It's a lot of seeds.
See, you have the pomegranate seeds, okay?
It's like little things. See?
See?
They got seeds.
Oh, they crispy too.
They seeds.
Got seeds in it.
I know. I don't like the seeds.
Okay, so we ready? You ready to start, Maddie?
Yeah, let's put this back up in.
Okay, so let's go ahead and start doing it.
Alright, so first we're gonna need some of the
What you do first?
Put the blueberries.
Hold on, we gotta wash them off. Okay, guys, look.
We washed them off. We had to take some out.
We had to stop the video for a second, guys, because we had to wash these out.
Did you wash these?
Yeah, I have to wash them.
Yeah, I already washed them.
So we washed them off. We put all of it in this bowl right here, guys. All right.
So we don't need these.
So you ready? What you want to start with first, Maddie?
I want to start with the blueberries.
Yeah, a little bit. You want to start with the blueberries?
Let's do it.
You don't get behind?
Just pour
No,
it.
these raspberries.
Just pour it.
Yeah,
Blueberries.
Blueberries?
Are these blueberries?
No.
I like raspberries.
Those blackberries.
No, they have a thing to it.
It's called blackberries.
Why they have that to it?
I don't know. Okay. So just take your handful and do it. You need blueberries too.
I'm first gonna do these, and I know I got that.
Okay.
Oh shit.
Put them back. Now get some blueberries out of there.
I need to first put some more of these
Blackberries.
I love blackberries.
So guys, look, you're gonna need, for the nature cereal video, you're gonna need blackberries, raspberries, blueberries, pomegranate seeds, strawberries cut up, ice, and last but not least, don't forget, guys,
the coconut water.
You can have coconut water, but people been doing a little secret. They've been using pineapple coconut water, but we're just gonna use coconut water, okay, guys?
All right, now I'm putting the blueberries.
Blueberries. So you gotta talk a little loud for the camera so they can hear you, okay?
So we're gonna
do the camera see that good?
That's what mine looks like.
I
It looks like black. Dad, do yours.
Okay, do mine. Okay.
Oh.
So guys, I'm next, guys. So I got my blueberries, raspberries. I got my blackberries. I'm really gonna see how this gonna taste. I'm just ready to see how it's gonna taste.
If it tastes nasty, we're gonna throw it away.
Okay, hold on.
We ain't gonna use it to waste.
Hold on. So, we late with the trend, guys. So, man,
super late.
you forgot strawberries. So, guys, we're gonna do strawberries. Look, guys, look. Strawberries.
Well, this tastes absolutely nasty.
Put strawberries in this right here.
I'll waste my
Okay, now hold on, bud. We gotta do it.
Dad, I need a little bit more.
You need some more of those? Okay, then. Put some more in there.
This should be it.
Throw some more in there?
Which one is mine?
Yours right there. I need some too.
Alright, that's it.
Okay.
We
Now,
had a little taste some more in case we need it.
so guys, here go the pomegranate seeds. I'm first.
No!
Here, you go first. Go.
Okay, let me put one.
Here, pomegranate seeds, you go first.
Okay. I'm gonna do a spoon.
Oh, she gotta do a spoon.
So I'm gonna waste all of it.
Do it in front of the camera right there. Here, do it in front of the camera right there.
Hold it up.
They want to see you do it.
Ooh, this one.
It's good.
It's seeds.
That seeds is good.
But you gotta have to eat the seed. One more full.
I think it's gonna be good because of seeds. Now my turn.
We're gonna put a honey up in it.
Guys,
if we want to.
I can tell you right now, mine's gonna be good, hers gonna be good. I'm tell you what makes this good. These pomegranate seeds. This is gonna make it really good, okay, guys? It's gonna make it really good.
I'm eating stuff.
See how it's going.
Yeah, shoot, I need some blueberries.
Hold on. Look. So, guys, this is how my bowl looks so far. Look. This is how my bowl looks so far. Y'all see it? This is how my bowl looks so far. With the pomegranate seeds in it. Look. There you go. So, alright.
I just need some more blueberries, guys. Chloe has some more.
Blueberries.
Extras.
You ready?
Uh-huh. Wait.
Okay, there.
I need to get this stuff off.
So we're going to start with the ice right here. Go push everything to the side.
Because my back.
My spoon. So,
That's what mine is looking like. Okay.
show them how yours going to do.
I don't want to spill it that much.
Yeah, it's madness right here.
Tell me to ours.
Ice. Do your ice. So guys, don't forget to comment down below and tell me what y'all like about this video. Share this video.
If you like it.
Share this video. Like this video, guys.
Yeah, where's my phone?
Your spoon. Your spoon right here.
We're gonna put a little bit of stuff.
It's fun to do
We
video.
got French ice.
It's always fun to do video with your kids.
Our ice machine shaker. It's like literally almost broken.
I'm gonna do mine right here.
Our ice machine.
So guys, instead of
us
use big ice, we use shaved ice. Look.
Like the ones that they put up in
Yeah, we use shaved ice. I can't handle the big ice.
They ain't gotta do everything. Now this is what the ice. Like we're not gonna do these pieces, like big crunchy pieces.
So this is how mine looks so far, guys. This is how it looks so far. Does it look good?
Ooh,
You ready to show them how yours look like?
that's a big ice.
You ready to show them how yours look?
Now I gotta put one more thing.
One more thing. Okay.
Coconut water.
Coconut water, guys.
Give me this tastes disgusting.
Here's Maddie Bowl, guys. Miss Maddie Bowl. How you notice? Maddie Bowl, she got more in her bowl than I do. She greedy.
That tastes it. No.
Taste it. Smell it.
Yeah.
It's just coconut water. It's got a little sweetness to it. Boy. Hold on. You gotta pour it in front of the camera. Pour it in front of the camera.
That's enough.
That's enough.
Coconut water.
Show them how I look, man.
I just don't want to spill it, guys.
So here. Yeah, come on. Go look. This is Maddie's right here, guys. Look at it. Can y'all see it already?
Can I see it? Ooh.
Okay.
It's been a little bit, but it's
So,
okay.
I'm going to do mine, guys. Okay, look. Here go mine. There's the coconut
Here,
water.
you're gonna chop.
There you go.
Nature's cereal.
That's enough.
I got to be extra with mine, guys.
I need to put some more ice.
You need a little more ice here? So, this is how it looks, guys. Look. This is how it looks.
Shoot.
Got all the stuff. Look at it. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Now we go try down and see how it really gonna look. All right.
Cause that should be it of the stuff that we got.
You gotta get down a little bit.
Yeah.
Like your head too tall. Sit down a little bit.
Okay.
So,
I'm just talking.
guys, so I'm finna tell you how this gonna go down. I'll give you my honest opinion about this.
Dad, did you put some of your stuff up there? Let me taste it. Taste. This one mine's is looking
So,
like. Oh.
To be honest, not from a kid perspective. I can't say from a kid perspective, but from an adult perspective. Me, I actually like this because I'm a gym guy. I like to work out. But yeah, this is something new to me, so I actually like this, guys. No lie. I like it. It's healthy, and I like it. So, Maddie, what do you think, Maddie?
I'm gonna taste it first. Steve. Dad.
He tastes like she already tastes like
Mine good.
1, 2.
How it taste? I can't even lie. It's actually good. I think the pomegranate seeds made it really good. The pomegranate, like if it weren't for the pomegranate seeds, it wouldn't be good. So actually, the pomegranate seeds make it taste good, and it knocks the flavor of the coconut away. It's like, I know a lot of y'all don't like coconut water, so the pomegranate seeds in here, the pomegranate seeds takes away the flavor in here. So it tastes, you get more of this right here. Yes, guys, you do. So guys, this is actually good. Really, really good. No lie. Man, this is really good, man. I can't even lie. This is really good.
And yeah.
It's really good,
I'm
guys.
all over here because I had to go for a second, and
So the fruits took over the coconut water. Yeah, we did that, man. So guys, wasn't my idea. It was totally Matt's idea.
are we gonna do something else?
Want to do something else? Okay, good. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Like we was gonna say.
Click that link below. Subscribe to our channel, guys.
Okay, that's right.
And we're trying to get up more subscribers. So guys, click the link below. Subscribe to our channel. You get to see more of us, the everyday talkers, guys. So guys, we're gonna give you guys 5 seconds to subscribe to our channel. You ready, Maddie? Okay, then you ready?
That even worse.
Okay. Guys, you ready, Maddie? Gotta count with me. We're going backwards.
10.
You doing a 10? We're going backwards, okay? 10.
10.
9.
8.
7.
6. 5. 4.
3. 2. 1.
Did you
Okay,
subscribe?
subscribe, guys. And we got you 10 seconds. And we'll catch y'all next time, guys, on our next video, guys.
What are you gonna do today?
Peace.
Bye, guys.
Yo, what's up, guys? We doing behind the scenes of the Nature's video.
You're so
the
good,
Nature
guys.
Series video. So,
And I
guys,
hope you subscribe. Please subscribe.
she said, please.
We just don't even want no money. I wish they didn't even evolve money. Because we just want the views. And we want your support. Bye.
What do you think, Steve?
That's yours.
So,
Yours
guys, this is behind the scenes, guys. So, guys,
What these look like?
thank you, guys.
Yes,
It's Listies. Who you eat mine now?
Because he took over mine.
So, guys, thank you for your support, guys, and even taking the time out to look at our video. But, guys, this is behind the scene right here. Oh, cool. Man, what do you think about the background? What do you think about the background? So, guys, y'all see this background right here? Look at that background right there. I got that background from off Amazon, guys. It was like $15.
Your stuff tastes disgusting.
Mine's good.
No.
Mine's really good.
I don't like those things.
But, what do you think about the background that we got right there?
Dad, these are so dry.
That's okay. What do you think about the background, though? You love the background?
Why'd you tell me it was a background?
It is a background. I love the background. I bought it for you. Alright, guys. We're out of here.
You have to do it.